What's up, YouTube? Well, last video I tried driving the truck to go pick up that compressor. Oh, that's successful. So last video, if you're new to the channel, welcome back to Wrenching Wrecked. But last video we drove the 64 Ford to go pick up the diesel compressor. Worked fine. We got it back. Had some issues on the trailer tire, which was expected. But now we got the compressor back. I played hooky from work today. Borrowed a truck, Dottie's mom's, to go look at sandblast pots. And apparently nobody in this day and age knows how to measure things properly, so he had a really weird window of time slots to look at equipment. Didn't work with my actual day job schedule, so I played hooky. It's a beautiful day, can't complain. Now we're gonna capitalize on that. So we did some gardening stuff at the house. We're back at Dottie's mom's house now. I'm gonna yank the Falcon out of here. Dottie's car is up here. We drove that up here, grabbed her mom's extra truck to borrow. Since the bringing that compressor back, my transmission sounds like a jar of marbles. Still runs and drives fine. I'm willing to push it, but had the day off and she wanted to come with. It's just easier taking something that, you know, runs and drives and stops and has air conditioning because it's like 80 degrees today. So we're gonna see if the Falcon fires up. I'm gonna let this warm up a little bit, and then ideal goal, this is gonna come home with us back to the new shop. I'll leave the wagon here for another week or so, and then I do have a new carb for the panel truck. If you've been following from that video, Jeff Bezos cheapo knockoff special. I have no expectations for that thing actually working, but for 60 bucks, I feel like that was worth a shot. So let's jump in here and see. Normally I'd squirt gas down the throat of the carb, but I forgot the squirt bottle. So we are straight mechanical, probably gonna kill the battery. Oh, let's set you guys over here on the Falcon. Straight mechanical. I haven't started this in a week and a half. I don't think me hitting that is gonna do anything in terms of the accelerator pump. Oh, I took the keys out, not used to that either. But let's see if this thing will fire up. I got voltage. Oh, actually closer than I thought. Not much gas in the holes there. Mechanical pump on this car, so. We're in luck. First handful just gets the gas up there. It fired off on whatever vapors were left. This was the hard part. That one will start, but we'll flip-flop these two, and then one less vehicle up here since we have the space at the new shop. So I'm gonna let this warm up for a minute. At least till it idles again. No choke hooked up on this yet either. We gotta do an intake manifold and a carburetor on this. I'm more inclined to do that once we get it back to the shop. And in all honesty, my truck needs work. I have another trans. I got another 303 3-speed sitting underneath the workbench at my house. I think that's gonna get pushed forward because I do use that truck for work all the time. Still runs and drives. I'll still ride it and drive it if I need to, but why keep beating a dead horse when it's on its way out? It's kind of a ticking time bomb at this point. So this is gonna come back. I think this will be the daily for the rest of the next couple weeks until I get some extended time off from work, until we get the truck set up. So once this fires up, this thing's been pretty good at daily driving. Way better on gas than the truck too, so. Let me flip-flop some vehicles. I'll turn you guys back on when we're actually driving back to the other shop. We're gonna eat some food. All right, lunch is done. Now I'm full, I'm uncomfortable, and we're gonna rip the Falcon up to the shop. Covered in leaves. Hopefully there's enough gas because I don't remember the last time I drove this or filled it up, but we're gonna run it all the way there. responsible move would be to stop at the gas station. Here we go. If the wipers still work. Kinda. So many little, I don't know what you guys call these little things, the helicopter things. Can't believe how hot it got. Actually feels like summer today. All right, this will take forever. We'll be back when we're ripping. Covered in mud and gross. Deer head's still moving. Portable toilet, that's still there. But we got the back room all primed, killed, painted, covering up whatever we got. Retrim the floorboards. Hopefully that helps knock critters out. And then started air spraying the walls. Updates coming. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Just quick little refreshers. I know it's boring doing a shop stuff. We're doing a ton of work up here. I'm spending multiple hours every day. Not really the most entertaining nor stuff that I really want to film. So we'll be back when it's all done. Still got a ton of stuff to get out of here. I'm trying to get a dumpster dropped off. We can empty the rest of this. We're getting rid of all of it, starting from scratch.